Creating wooden candle holders is a wonderful way to use scraps from woodworking projects while offering unique and decorative items for sale. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wooden candle holder ideas you can make for profit as mini woodworking projects from Scarp you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The beauty of wooden candle holders lies in their versatility and the variety of designs that can be crafted from leftover pieces. With minimal tools required, you can embark on a profitable venture that allows for creativity and sustainable practices. Starting with small scraps means you don't need to invest in large amounts of wood, making this project both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Each candle holder can tell a story based on the wood used, whether it's reclaimed timber, leftover pieces from larger projects, or unique wood types like cedar, pine, or oak that provide distinct characteristics and grain patterns. This variety encourages customization that can appeal to a wide customer base. One popular idea for a candle holder is using a simple block design. Creating small cubes or rectangular prisms from scrap wood allows you to focus on clean, modern aesthetics. Sand the edges to create a smooth finish, making sure to emphasize the natural wood grain. A touch of natural or stained finish can enhance the color. This design creates a dynamic piece that can serve as a focal point during dinner parties or holiday gatherings. Using driftwood or reclaimed wood provides an excellent avenue for crafting rustic-themed candle holders. The organic shapes and textures of driftwood can inspire unique designs that are difficult to replicate with machine-cut wood. Start by selecting pieces with interesting contours, then carefully cut and polish them to create a safe base. This could involve creating a base that holds one or multiple candles, either set directly on the wood or using tea light cups. Clients often favor rustic aesthetics, and these holders could also appeal to those with a beach house or cabin aesthetic. For a more artistic approach, consider creating geometric candle holders. These can be made from multiple small pieces of scrap wood, glued and assembled to create designs ranging from hexagons to intricate polyhedra. Once the base is constructed, drill holes to secure candles at varying heights. This design not only serves as a candle holder, but also as a piece of art. By experimenting with paint and finishes, you can add color and texture, making each holder unique. Creating candle holders that double as planters is another innovative idea, combining the beauty of candles with living plants. Using scraps to build small boxes or containers, you can create a dual-purpose piece that holds a candle on one side and a small succulent or herb on the other. This project encourages a miniature garden aesthetic, perfect for urban dwellers with limited space. The concept can be expanded by creating larger versions that sit on tables or window sills, encouraging people to surround themselves with nature while enjoying candlelight. Wall-mounted candle holders offer a unique selling point. They save space while adding ambience to any room. By cutting wood into various shapes, like hearts, stars, or geometric forms, these holders can be attached to a wall with brackets or sawtooth hangers. These wall sconces can be painted, stained, or left natural, providing options for different decor styles. This type of candle holder is not only functional, but also a distinctive home decor item that is likely to catch the eye. For the more playful designs, consider creating candle holders using animal motifs. Wood can be carved or shaped into simple animal silhouettes that feature spots for candles. Whether it's a bear, a bird, or a whimsical creature, these holders can appeal to families with children or anyone looking for a fun, quirky decor piece. Adding a little paint to highlight features can transform these simple designs into cheerful and decorative elements for homes. You can also explore candle holder designs with intricate cutouts. Using a jigsaw or scroll saw, you can introduce shapes, patterns, or designs through the walls of candle holders. This approach not only allows the candlelight to shine through, but creates beautiful shadows on surrounding surfaces. These can range from floral patterns to abstract designs, appealing to a wide range of tastes. Incorporating stencils can make this process easier, even for beginners. Another emerging trend is to incorporate wax making into your candle holder projects. Create simple holders that can be filled with your own homemade candles. This process allows for customizing scents, colors, and styles, further increasing the appeal. Selling a set that includes the holder and a candle can simplify the purchasing decision for consumers. This adds an artistic touch, and buyers are often willing to pay a premium for handmade goods that include multiple elements. As you embark on these mini woodworking projects, aim to have an array of options that cater to various customer preferences. You may choose to mix and match designs, creating sets that complement each other while showcasing different styles. This can appeal to customers looking to create a cohesive look in their homes or as gifts for special occasions. Once your candle holders are crafted, consider the marketing aspect. Take high-quality photographs of your finished products, showcasing them in natural light and styled settings. This not only highlights the craftsmanship, but also provides potential buyers with ideas on how to incorporate the holders into their homes. Social media platforms are excellent for showcasing visual content and reaching a broader audience. Sharing behind-the-scenes footage of the crafting process can also engage viewers and create community. Consider attending local craft fairs, farmers markets, or home decor shows to sell your products directly to consumers. Emphasize the handmade nature of your candle holders and the fact that they are created from reclaimed materials. Storytelling can be a powerful marketing tool. Customers love to know more about the origin of the materials and the artisan behind the product. Additionally, building an online presence through a website or an online store will help you reach a larger audience. You can consider offering classes or tutorials on candle holder making, promoting sustainability as well as craftsmanship. This positions you as an expert in your field, encouraging people to trust your brand when purchasing finished products. Collaborating with local boutiques or gift shops to showcase your candle holders is another effective strategy. Many small businesses are eager to support local artisans, and placing your products in their stores can introduce your work to new customers. In conclusion, creating wooden candle holders from scrap materials is not only an environmentally friendly approach to woodworking, but also an opportunity to craft unique, marketable items. With thoughtful designs, ranging from modern blocks to whimsical animal shapes, and a focus on quality, you can create a profitable venture while indulging your passion for woodworking. Combining creativity with practicality allows you to offer potential customers not just a product, but an experience tied deeply to artisan craftsmanship and sustainable living. Each candle holder becomes a small piece of art, lighting up spaces and fostering a cozy atmosphere, making them desirable items for homes and commercial settings alike. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay